Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to find out percentage. Percentage, as the name suggests, is made up of two words. Per means every and cent means 100. So percentage means out of 100. The symbol for percentage is a slash with two dots above and below. Also, if you want to write 2%, so 2% in fraction will be 2% means 2 out of 100, which is equal to, you can simplify this, 2 times 1, 2 times 5 and 2 times 0. So 1 by 50 is the fractional equivalent to 2%. So if you are asked to find 2% of a number, that means you have to find out 1/50th part of that number. Similarly, if we talk about 5%, 5% will be 5 by 100, which is equal to 1 by 20. It means that to find 5% of a number, you need to find 1/20th of that number. This was about percentage to fraction. We can also do the reverse of this, that is fraction to percentage. For converting fraction to percentage, if you are finding 1/50th of any number, you need to multiply this by 100. So if we multiply 1 by 50 by 100, these two zeros gets cancelled and this one is 5 times 1 and 5 times 2. So this is 2%. Similarly, for finding 1/20th of any number, we can say that it is 1/20th times 100, which is equal to 5%. So this is about fraction to percentage conversion. So let's come to our main topic, which is to find the percentage of any number. Finding percentage of any number is very easy. You know that 50% means 5 by 100. Of means multiplication, and 250 is the number which we are finding the 50% of. So 50%, sorry, this is 50% off. So 50% of 250 will be 50 divided by 100. We just converted this 50% into a number, removing the percentage sign, and if we remove the percentage sign, we need to divide the number by 100, and then of 250 means multiply by 250. Now we can easily solve this. These two zeros gets cancelled with the zeros above, and we are left with 5 times 25, which is equal to 125. Our next example is to find 10% of $400. For this, we will first remove the percentage sign. So 10% means 10 divided by 100. Of means multiplication, and $400 will be $400. So now we can simplify this. These two zeros gets cancelled with these two zeros, and in the numerator we are left with 10 times $4, which is equal to $40. So 10% of $400 is $40. Let's move on to our third example and find out 5% of 550 rupees. So this will be 5% means 5 divided by 100. Of means times, and rupees 550 will be rupees 550. Now this simplifies to, this 0 gets cancelled with the 0 in the numerator. 5 times 1, and this will be 5 times 2. So we are left with 55 by 2, which is equal to 27.5. So let us solve few more examples and find out 25% of 4,000. So 25% will be 25 divided by 100. Of means multiplication, and 4,000 will be 4,000. So here these two zeros gets cancelled with the zeros above, and we have now 25 times 40, which is equal to, so 25 times 4 is 100 followed by a 0 for 40. So this is 1000. Let's find out 3% of 300. 3% means 3 by 100. times 300. So these two zeros gets cancelled and we are left with 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. So this is the direct method for finding percentage. I'm going to show you one more method where we can find out percentage indirectly without multiplying the numbers and without the use of calculator. So let's find out 20% of 800. So let's pause and think about what will be 10% of 800. We know that 10% of any number means 1 by 10 of a number. 1 by 10th of 800 will be 80. So 10% is 80. So 20% will be twice of 80, which is 160. This is also one other way of finding percentage without the use of calculator. Let's solve few more examples and find 55% of 5000. So for finding 55% of 5000, we can first find 50% of 5000 orally. 50% of 5000 will be half of 5000, which we can find out without the use of calculator, and it is 2500. Now this is 50%. We need to find 55%. Now after finding 50%, we can even find 1% orally without the use of calculator. 1% of 5000 will be 1 by 100 of 5000, which is 50. 1% is 50, so 5% will be 5 times 50, which is equal to 250. So now we got 50% and 5%. For finding 55%, we can add 50% and 5%, which is 2500 plus 250, and it is equal to 2750. So 55% of 5000 is 2750. Let's solve one more example and find percentage without the use of calculator. So let us find out 15% of 200. So for that we can first find out 10% of 200, which we can find orally. 10% of 200 is equal to 20. And if we know 10%, we can find 5%. So 5% will be equal to 10. And 15% is equal to 10% plus 5%, which is equal to 20 plus 10. 20 plus 10, which gives us 30. So 15% of 200 is 30. So this is the method by which you can find percentage without the use of calculator. So in this video we learned how to find percentage with the help of calculator and without the use of calculator. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.